Hello, in this short video we're going to take a look at a new feature in Waltz 1.32, which is due out in May this year, 2021. It's all around custom environments. This is in response to a request by a user of the system. They wanted to organize their servers and databases into different environments. So if we take a quick look at the feature, so let's take a look at an application. Choose one at random, I was looking at earlier. Currently in Waltz we're in the technology section. Each application can have a bunch of servers associated with it, have some databases associated with it, as well as other technology stuff if it's been provided, such as software usages and licenses, etc. Anyway, there's a new tab here called Environments. Currently you can see this application has no custom environments defined for it, and neither can we create one. That's because our user, isn't associated with this application. So we need to be associated with an application. Now typically that might not be a problem because when we've imported applications and people, we'll have made the associations already in the background. In this demo system we'll have to quickly create that relationship. So we see that in the person section here. We need to add ourselves. So we can do that profile. We'll just quickly find out who we are. So on this demo data, I'm Adrian Duke, so I'll edit this. I shall add Adrian Duke, and I'll say that he is a data owner. Add him in, and he's now added to this list. So if we now go back to the technology section, I think we might need to refresh. We should see that we can now create a new custom environment. So here we can define a custom environment. We've provided some basic information. A group and a name are the only the key ones. So the group is just if you want to sort of categorize a set of environments together, like you might have different integration environments, integration test environments, or different stress test environments. So we say this is integration 1, and we might just say integration 1, we just say this is an integration environment. Save that off. We see we've now got a new section. It's saying there's 0 linked entities. We open that up. We can now edit this environment, and it's immediately sort of said, well, since you started at this application, we're going to make this the application that we think you're interested in, and you can start adding servers, or you can start for databases, and you can do a sort of kind of full text index search against here. So if we look for 36, for example, it's honing in on that database, and also you see that the search is shared between the two things. We can also do this as sort of a fast multiple keywords to quickly narrow down on the assets you want. Once we've got those, you see it's building out this tree, saying these are the servers and the databases that we've got in this custom environment. We can also say actually we want to include servers from a different application. So for instance, we're saying this is an integration environment, so therefore we're probably integrating with something. So we find another app. Let's find something jellyfish. Oops, get rid of the search. We'll say okay, that's using this server and this server. So now you can see we've built up a list of servers and databases. We can show this in a sort of more tabular view if you prefer, which shows more detail, and obviously we can create as many of these environments as we wish. We can also kill the environment, give us a warning, and we can download all the environment data in one go. So we see here, I'm opening the Excel format, and we'll just make this table visible. You can see that it's actually done this as a multi-sheet export, and you see tab 1 is just some basic instructions, tab 2 is the servers, and tab 3 is the databases with all the information contained therein. So I say this was a feature that was in response to users who wish to manage these sort of large groups of servers and databases in a more structured way, and so hopefully this will be useful to the wider Waltz user community. Thank you very much for watching.